Hi, my assistant said you have a toothache. How long have you had it? Do you have a toothache? What seems to be the problem? Let me take a closer look. That tooth has to come out. Not too much. I'll give you some Novocaine to make the tooth numb. Relax. It won't hurt too much. I'll give you some Novocaine to make the tooth numb. Do you have any plans for the afternoon? Well, it should come out right now. Good, because it should come out right now. You're not from around here, are you? How long are you staying? You should be fine by then. You'll be fine by tomorrow afternoon. Okay, just sit back and try to relax. I'm sorry, I don't understand. Excuse me? I beg your pardon?